Welcome everyone, how's it going to my new update presentation for the price prediction of Chiliz 2024 of January, late January guys, a couple of days left out of this month, aiming for the current market situation to recover. Chiliz is a great cryptocurrency performing well, so I did wanted to share with you what's happening as we broke the top and it's setting in a very interesting moment. Before we get into the topic, I'd like to share with you the fact that the entire space is trying to recover from the massive dips in the market retracements we have been facing. The fear and greed has been reset, is back to neutral, and is sitting right below 50, which is an indication that a lot of the people left basically the bullishness side and they're no longer blindly longing the markets, especially with a leverage, in order to sort of generate a type of liquidity balance that necessitates major retracements. It's no longer that case. Now, what's happening on the Chiliz crypto, we're going to discover very soon. For those of you that enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, many other presentations along the way with trading videos on YouTube Shorts. We actually have a live trade running around on the BTC, 45 BTCs on 19x leverage, 68 grand in pure profit, pretty decent momentum out here. We're riding our trade quite well. For those of you that would like to participate in my trading and find out more about it, this is my spreadsheet with the weekly performance, with the way you can participate on the frequently asked questions as well. There is no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. So it's simple and straightforward. You can find out more on my page. No fancy sales letter, copywriting or stuff like that. I don't think it's needed. It matters what kind of value is behind. What's happening basically on the other side, this is a one-on-one coaching for anyone that would like to sort of trade correctly. In an intensive private coaching program with me, I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. So we're going to talk about these things at the end of the conversation. Now it's time for Chiliz one-day candlesticks falls. Well, this is where we are at the moment, in a very interesting shape of breaking the previous top, which is something the majority of the other cryptocurrencies are not even close to that. So in a nutshell, Chiliz is having a great momentum at the moment, especially dominating after finding support by forming the higher lows structure. It's a continuous higher low formation after the trending line we broke out has been retested twice. The first retest appears right there at the 7 cents and so, and the other is actually appearing exactly on the 7 cents mark, which is also permitting basically the space after a double confirmation on a reaccumulation for the trades. This is something that they really enjoy on a very high probability. If that plays out just like it played, then it has a very strong probability for the markets to move towards the upside. That being said, we've been able to cross all the moving averages and have a periodical resistance on the supply level situated on 10 cents, with the market retracements that were not aggressive at all, especially that we are also questioning how on earth, when you got basically the altcoins dumping 15, 20, 25%, some of the major altcoins that are having hundreds of millions of dollars volume daily, they were dumping continuously for even 20 to 30 days, some of them. You don't get to see that selling pressure appearing on Chiliz. Well, we're actually speaking about a cryptocurrency with a very strong potential that was supported by the 20 days moving average very well, along the way trying to stay above the average middle line of the entered volume weighted average price, that blue line right there. So we're trying to stick above that and continuously take the highs to a higher and higher level, accumulating pressure against the bears. Something that has exploded yesterday with that specific candle we printed, and today it's a market continuation, a very good signal out there of the way we are actually portraying the first target on 12 cents, which is obviously not a big deal from the current level. I mean, it is very easy, another 10%, but I would actually consider that a major target will sit around 15 cents. into the second and circled area, where we also have major liquidity appearing from the past, as well a fake out that has generated a lot of the money trapped into the tops. So what's happening there is pretty much on 15 cents the pressure is expected. Until that time, we have minor resistance appearing, and especially right now the altcoins, including the BTC, it is looking forward to recovering into the markets, looking forward bouncing back into the space within the upcoming period. You're also going to have Chiliz following the momentum, enjoying that ride towards 15 cents. That would be the target, folks. When it comes down to the lower side of the current price section, well, I would actually consider a very easy momentum because of the golden cross which appears between 100 days and 200 days moving average. Obviously not the classic golden cross which is between 50 days and 200 days. This is basically on the daily, still a golden cross, but not the classic one that we are able to establish as we speak, right? So the 100 days are just crossing 200 days, moving above, and the market is going into an accelerated phase. Amazing. Any form of retracement should get stuck on 200 days moving average, which is this blue line. That blue line right there, which follows through right now, sitting slightly above 8 cents. Any form of retracement or a corrective wave should get stuck there, and we should bounce from that level. We should not revisit basically the trending support line, which is downtrending, and it's extremely far away from us at this time, already about 50%. So definitely not a good perspective. That's pretty much it on Chiliz side, folks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, enjoy yourself. If you would like to participate in my done-for-you trading without any prior fee, feel free to reach out and check out my trading journal with a spreadsheet with all the explanations and so on, including the ability for a highly educational program one-on-one live with me. If you would like to achieve financial freedom, then this is your time to work on your skills. Enjoy, folks. Prepare yourself before the bull market starts and get your weapons ready.